Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to only 5G network in Samsung Galaxy M35. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This app is where you can manage everything on your device, from sound and display settings to security and network options. It's basically the control center for your phone. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Mobile Network. As you type, you'll see a few suggestions pop up. Make sure you select the correct one. Look for the Mobile Network option under Connections, not the one under Apps or Home Screen. This will take you directly to your phone's network settings. Step 4. Tap on Mobile Network, and then tap again. You'll see several options related to your data and connectivity. This is where you can manage roaming, access point names, and of course, your network mode. Step 5. For the last and most important step. Now here comes the most important part. Tap on Network Mode. A list of options will appear, such as LTE 3G 2G, 5G, LTE 3G, and so on. What you want to do is select the option that says 5G only, or similar, depending on your model. This forces your phone to stay connected to a 5G network, assuming it's available in your area. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Samsung phone to 5G only mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.